Alright, standout goalkeeper. Starting goalkeeper of today's All Manning vs All the Costa Cup. Manning Cup's goalkeeper, Akeem Bernard. First of all, congrats on the selection, congrats on starting for the Manning Cup team. How did that feel when you were selected to this team?
Feel good in myself, you know.
And did you know that you were going to be the starting goalkeeper?
No, I didn't know, but you know, I work for it, so I think I was going to be at the stage.
Alright, so today you had an outstanding game, you know, making a crucial save in the early part of the game to keep your team in it, and then making a big penalty shootout save. Talk to us about your performance today.
It was a good one. I think I played good. I think our performance was good.
Alright, so in the penalty shootout, we saw that you were trying to get into the heads of the opponents. Speak to us about your penalty shootout strategy, being a goalkeeper.
Well, I'm good in penalty from I was young coming up, so it's a normal thing, but I think I save it and bring back my teammate, but them just keep on missing.
Alright, so the Manning Cup is over. You know, for now, schoolboy football is over for Akeem Bernard. What can we expect from Akeem Bernard for the rest of the season?
Rest of the season?
The rest of the year.
Just look out for me.
More things to escape.
Yes, sir.
Alright, once again, congrats on the selection. Good game.